So after it got all glued up and we got it cut on the table saw, I noticed that I must have had the angle of the saw blade a little bit off, and I have a slight little rock to it. So this corner seems like it's a little bit higher, and even this back corner. So I've been taking a hand plane to it and trying to get some of this area right here a little bit lower, and also coming onto this side and seeing that this corner is a little bit high. So even though we cut this on the table saw and I rotated all 4 turns, it still is not perfect. I gotta work on that, but I'm working on getting it fixed right now just by using a hand plane and shaving some of this off. I do have to be careful because if I come on this back side right here, I could potentially break off the edge of the box. We don't want that. So now we'll check it again to see what it looks like. I'm still a little bit high right in here. Alright, so now I've got to clean up all of these sides, and for that I'm just going to be using a cabinet scraper and trying to get all that cleaned up. And we'll just rotate it around. I've got it held down by the holdfast right here. Trying to figure out a better way to hold bigger boxes down. Was thinking about adding a front vise to this, and that would give me the ability to clamp it right into the front of the workbench, but that's still a different plan. So right now we just got it held on by the holdfast. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the hardware on. I got the front little clasp right here that undoes it, and then you can raise it up and lower it and then close it back up. As you guys saw, I went ahead and added the hinges, and I actually trimmed out where the hinges go. This was the first time I ever have done that. Before, whenever I made boxes, I would just attach it, and I always had like a little gap in the back. So I'm really happy with this. There's no gap. It's smooth pretty much all the way around. That table saw cut kind of messed me up a little bit, but I tried to get it the best I could, and I'm really happy with it and how it turned out. I like the difference in the 2 colors between the maple and that purple heart. So I will be letting it dry for about 2 more days, and then after that I'll probably give it a really light sanding over the whole entire thing, and then adding some paste wax to it and then buffing it out. Now that I have everything mounted, it should do fairly decent. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the build. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button, and always hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.